Okay guys, I'm leaving to go pick my daughter up from work in downtown Dayton. It's storming bad, really bad. See that lightning? I gotta get my seatbelt on real quick. It's bad. Hope we don't get a tornado before I get back. Figures I get stuck at every fucking light. It is bad. Oh God, I can't roll my window down. The water's hitting me bad. Come on, light. Goddamn. Longest fucking light. I never get caught at this long ass light. I can't see the fucking road. It's bad. Listen to that rain. I'm gonna get hit by hail. It's gonna damage my new truck. God damn, it's flooding, guys. It's bad. Look at the road. I ain't taking the freeway. Badass storm. I don't know why my wipers have to squeak. And damn new wipers, and they squeak like hell, even in the pouring rain. I got soaking wet just walking from my house to the truck. Man, my phone stopped the recording when I plugged the charger in for some reason. Alright, we're by Walmart on Dorothy Lane in Dayton, Ohio, and it's bad. God damn, these roads are flooded. It is flooded. Can you guys see how much water's on the road? I feel like I'm driving through a river. Dayton's getting hammered. God damn, that water was a foot deep. Almost ran me to the curb. Look at that. Oh my God. Why is my phone not charging? hell. Ain't too windy right here though. Damn road is flooded. God dang, I keep going through water, it's like a foot deep. I can't see what lane I'm in. A video. Well, I definitely wouldn't want Mandy out driving in this. I was wanting to try to get over.